Hi children, in this class we are going to know about the Shivalik Hills. The Shivalik Hills. These outer Himalayas are located in the southern part and are the most recently formed hills. They are the lowest of the three rows with an average height of 1200 meters above sea level. They are also called the foothills of the Himalayas. This mountain range is not continuous and is broken at many places. The valleys lies between the Himachal and Shivaliks are called dunes. Dehradun is one such valley. These hills receive heavy rainfall. People here terrace the slopes of hills and practice terraced farming. Tea plantation, apples and peaches are grown here. So, Shivalik Hills. So, see here children, this is Shivalik Hills, Shivalik Ranges. The outer Himalayas are located in the southern part and mostly recently formed hills. They are lowest of three rows with an average height of 1200 meters of above sea level. From the above sea level 1200 meters. So it is known as foothills. Of Himalayas. This mountain is not a continuous children. It is broken at many places. The valleys in Himalayas and Shivaliks are called dunes. These hills receive heavy rainfall. Very heavy rainfall. People here terrace the slope of the hills and practice terrace farming. Terrace farming means a method of growing crops children on the sides of hills or mountains. It is a method of growing crops. Tea plantations, apples and peaches are grown here. This terrace farming will look like this children. It will look like this. So here it's very beautiful to see like this. It will be looking like this. The area at the foot of the Shivaliks is called Teri region. It's a marshy area. The area of the foot of the Shivaliks is called a Terai region. It's a marshy area. See children, this is known as marshy. This is a marshy region. So with cold winds and mild summer, it has thick forest with rich wildlife that includes tiger, elephant, rhinoceros, etc. So in this we can see tiger, elephant, rhinoceros, etc. So beyond the Brahmaputra river, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along to the eastern boundary of the country. They are also known as Purvanchal, or the eastern hills are made up of hills like Patkai, Naga, Lasaki, Kasi and Mizo. So they are also known as Purvanchal of eastern hills. Beyond the Brahmaputra river, here the Brahmaputra will come children. Beyond the Brahmaputra, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and press the eastern boundary of our country. So Brahmaputra will be here. Children. These are known as Purvanchal or eastern hills, are made up of hills like Patatkai, Naga, Mizo, Kashi, etc.